Welcome to Science Lab with Mrs. Keener. Hello, my scientist friends. This is the last Science Lab of this school year. Today we're going to make something that's fun for you and good for the planet. We're going to make things out of recyclables. Recyclables are things that get recycled instead of putting them in the garbage. When you put things in the garbage, they go to a landfill, which is a great big pile of trash that takes a long time to turn back into soil. It's better to recycle things so that they can be reused. But you don't have to send something away for it to be recycled. You can recycle things yourself. Today we're going to make things out of things that we have lying around our house. We're going to recycle them and we're going to make fun things. I'm going to show you how to make two projects. You can do one of these projects, or you can do both of these projects, or you can come up with your own idea for something to make out of a recyclable. The first thing you'll need to do is find something that is going to be recycled. Make sure it's clean, make sure it's okay to use it, and then think of how you want to recycle it. Do you want to make it into a toy? Do you want to make it into something useful? I'm going to show you two different projects. Here's the first project. In the first project, we're going to recycle a small paper bag and make it into a vest. We're going to make it into clothing for a stuffed animal. If you have a very large stuffed animal, you can use a large paper bag. And if you don't have a large paper bag, you can get one from the school. I left a big pile of paper bags inside the front entryway of the school, and you can take one for this project. I'm going to use a small paper bag and make a vest for a small stuffed animal. First, fold the part of the bag that would be the bottom so that the flap that's towards you lines up with the other flap. Now you have to cut your neck hole. Cut a big V shape and go past that fold and pull away that piece of paper. Next, make the arm holes. Cut away a rectangle from each corner. Next, I'm going to trim off the bottom because my vest is too long. Next, cut the front opening. Make sure you're only cutting through one layer, the top layer. Now test it out on your stuffed animal. If you need to make any changes, you can do that now. If you need to make your neck hole wider or your arm holes bigger, you can adjust it. When it's done, you can decorate it any way you like. If you made a leaf rubbing vest, maybe you and your stuffed animal can have matching vests. Here's the second project. I went through my pile of recyclables and I found a jar that was going to be sent out to recycling. I decided to make it into something useful. I'm going to make it into a pencil holder. Here's how to decorate a glass jar to make it into a nice looking pencil holder. First, find something that's the right size. Then make sure it's clean. My jar had fish in it, so I had to wash it with soap and water. I don't like the way this label looks, so I'm going to take some pictures from an old magazine and cover up the label. So I just cut out some pictures from a magazine that I'm done with, and I tape them on so that they cover up the label. I tape them on over the jar label, and now my pencil holder is done. It looks great, and it'll help me keep my pencils organized. So remember, you can do one of these projects, you can do both of the projects, or you can come up with your own project. Did you make something cool out of a recyclable from your house? Make a picture or video in Flipgrid and share it with us. See you in September, everybody.